Tara Jones recently announced she was getting divorced. I started wondering, how is her process different outside of our process, besides the whole Hollywood thing? And I realized, it's the same thing. Everybody's eyes are on her, just like everybody's eyes are on us when we announce it. And how you handle yourself is really important, because you really want to be a class act. You don't want to go into this victim mode or start doing the blame game and just trashing your soon-to-be ex or ex-husband, because it's not a good reflection on you. So when people come up to you, they're going to really not know what to do with you, because they don't know what to say. And some people are coming from a good, concerned place, and other people are just plain obnoxious and nosy. So how do you handle it? The best thing to do is when people come up and say, I'm really sorry, I heard you're getting divorced. Say, I appreciate your thoughts, and it's challenging, but we're handling it, and we're good. But thank you again for your thoughts. And if they keep going, and they don't quite get the clue that you just don't want to talk about it, then you can say, you know what, I really appreciate your thoughts, but I'm just really not comfortable talking about this, but we're doing fine, and thank you. And if they still don't stop, because some people won't stop, and the questions are going to be incredible. Some of them might say, well, oh my God, are you going to have to move out of your house? Are you going to have to go to work more? How are the kids? What's going on with the kids? Who's getting the kids? Did he cheat? Did she cheat? The questions can be incredible. And, just how could you be asking me this? So the best way to handle that person, if they're still not getting the clue, is I turn it around on people. I would say, you know what, I have to say, I'm surprised at the questions you're asking me, and it makes me think, is there something going on with you at home with your spouse that you're asking me these questions? Is there something you need my opinion on or help with? Promise that I'll shut them up real soon, and they'll get the hint. So just keep that in mind. And the best thing is, when you're going through this process, know that people are going to be not appropriate. So you're going to have canned responses. If you know this going in, it's not going to blow you away. So just start saying something that you're comfortable with. Have 2-3 responses that'll work, and you'll be fine. So, just be prepared, and then you'll be good. My name is Amy Botwinick. I'm the author of Congratulations on Your Divorce, The Road to Finding Your Happily Ever After, and the founder of WomenMovingOn.com.